Every weekday, a man gets a taxi costing £3.10 to Cheadle Station to then buy a return train ticket to Manchester. After doing this journey 165 times, he realised that a taxi to Stockport Station would only cost him 50p more. Work out the percentage reduction in cost if he chooses to go to Manchester via Stockport Station for the remainder of the year, rather than stick with his current route. Assume 48 working weeks in a year. First, let's calculate the cost of his original route over the entire year. So we need to work out how many times he makes the journey, and if there's 48 working weeks in a year, times 5 working days in a week, that's 240 times. So the cost of his journey is £3.10 plus the cost of a return ticket from Cheadle to Manchester, which is £8. So the total cost of his journey originally is £11.10 per journey. For the total cost of the year, we'll multiply that by 240 times that he takes the journey, which is a total cost of £2,664. Now let's calculate the new cost. The cost for the first 165 days is just the normal cost here. So the cost per day was £11.10, multiplied by 165 days, which is £1,831.50. Let's work out how many days left that he has to travel. We know there's 240 days, working days in a year. We'll take off the days he's already travelled for. That's 75 days left. Now let's figure out the cost for the last 75 days. The new journey costs £3.10, because the taxi normally costs £3.10, plus the additional 50p charge. And then we need the cost of a return from Stockport to Manchester, which is £6.20. So the new cost of a daily journey is £9.80. Let's multiply that by the 75 days that he's got remaining, which is £736 in total for those 75 days. So his total cost for the year is the sum of the initial 165 days plus the next 75 days, which is £2,567.50. Finally, we just need to work out the percentage decrease in cost from here to here. So we'll take the new value, that's £2,567.50, subtract the old value, divide by the old value, and multiply by 100. That gives us negative 2.9%, or a 2.9% decrease.